Transform your home workouts with the best workout bench for home gym, designed for stability, comfort, and versatility. Perfect for strength training, it supports various exercises to maximize your fitness results. Number 1. Lusper Weight Bench. For those looking to enhance their home gym setup, this weight bench offers superior durability and security. Constructed with upgraded steel and a professional-grade triangular structure, it supports up to 700 pounds, ensuring a stable and secure workout experience. The reinforced frame eliminates wobbling and movement, providing a rock-solid foundation whether you are lifting heavy or engaging in bodyweight exercises. With its 3-in-1 functionality, this bench allows for diverse workouts, functioning as a workout bench, flat bench, supine board, and bench press tool. This versatility makes it ideal for anyone looking to maximize their fitness routine without investing in multiple pieces of equipment. One of its standout features is the quick fold design. In just 3 seconds, the bench folds compactly, making it incredibly easy to store under a bed, in a closet, or even a car trunk. This space-saving design is a game changer for those with limited workout areas. Additionally, the bench arrives 95% assembled, making setup a breeze. You can start your training almost immediately with minimal effort required for installation. The inclusion of a professional workout guide sets this bench apart from others on the market. With access to expert-designed PDF guides and instructional videos, users can optimize their workouts and achieve faster results. Number 2. Flybird Weight Bench. When it comes to reliability and strength, this weight bench stands out due to its exceptional build quality and thoughtful design. Crafted from commercial-grade steel, it has undergone extensive testing to ensure long-term durability, providing a secure and stable workout experience. Unlike many other benches on the market, which may degrade over time, this one is built to last, offering a weight capacity of up to 800 pounds. The high ductility steel construction, high-strength bolts, and superior welding ensure that every component meets rigorous quality standards. With 20 years of expertise in fitness equipment manufacturing, the brand's commitment to excellence is evident in this product. One of the most convenient features is its easy adjustability. With 8 back positions and 3 seat positions, users can quickly modify the incline from 90 degrees to -30 degrees using a self-resilient spring lock system. This allows for a customized workout experience tailored to various exercises, from bench presses to sit-ups. The superior locking mechanism enhances safety, ensuring that the bench remains stable during intense workouts. Another key feature is the 18.5-inch bench height, which provides optimal support for foot placement, improving stability, and workout efficiency. The cushioning strikes a balance between comfort and support, featuring a hard-wearing leather surface for enhanced grip. Number 3. Finer Weight Bench Review. For those who prioritize durability and strength in their workout equipment, this weight bench offers gym-quality performance with a remarkable 1,000-pound weight capacity. Made from high-grade steel, it features a unique 4-way frame structure that eliminates wobbling and shaking, ensuring a secure and stable workout experience. Whether you're using a small dumbbell set or engaging in heavy lifting, this bench provides the reliability needed for effective strength training. One of the standout features of this weight bench is its compact and foldable design, making it an excellent choice for small spaces. It easily folds flat and can be stored under a bed or in a closet, making it perfect for those with limited space. Despite its compact size, the 3-inch thick cushion pad provides ample comfort and support, reducing strain on the body during workouts. Assembly is quick and hassle-free, allowing users to set up the bench in minutes without requiring complex tools. Versatility is another key benefit, as this bench supports a wide range of exercises, including bench presses, leg workouts, and core exercises. It's an ideal solution for full body training at home, accommodating fitness enthusiasts of all levels. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced athlete, this bench is designed to enhance your workout routine while maintaining stability and durability. Number 4. Flybird Adjustable Weight Bench. For those looking to enhance their home gym with a durable and versatile workout bench, this model provides an excellent blend of functionality and reliability. Designed for both casual and high-intensity training, it allows users to engage in a variety of strength exercises with ease. Whether you are performing lightweight daily workouts or pushing your limits with serious strength training, this bench is built to accommodate different fitness levels. The thoughtful design ensures that users of all experience levels can maximize their workout potential without unnecessary complications. Durability is a key highlight of this weight bench, featuring a sturdy base and robust frame made from high-quality steel. The structure is reinforced with a carefully engineered trapezoidal design, a 16-inch wide leg for stability, double grooves, and a reinforced knob, all contributing to its impressive 700-pound weight capacity. These elements ensure a solid and secure foundation, making it reliable for long-term use. Even under heavy loads, this bench maintains its stability, offering peace of mind during intense training sessions. The high-quality materials and precision in construction make it a trustworthy investment for serious fitness enthusiasts. One of the standout features is its adjustability. With the ability to transition seamlessly from a 90-degree upright position to a negative 30-degree decline, users can perform a range of exercises, including decline sit-ups and seated dumbbell presses. The innovative support bar allows for quick and hassle-free adjustments, enabling smooth transitions between incline, flat, decline, and upright positions. This versatility ensures a comprehensive full-body workout targeting different muscle groups effectively. The ergonomic design promotes proper posture and reduces strain, enhancing both safety and performance. Storage and portability are also well considered in this model. Requiring only 5 minutes from unboxing to full assembly, it is a convenient option for those who want a hassle-free setup. When folded, it becomes incredibly compact, making it easy to store and move around. Number 5. Fit Good's weight bench versatility and strength needed to accommodate a range of fitness routines. The combination of robust construction and thoughtful design makes it an essential addition to any home gym. For fitness enthusiasts seeking a high-quality, heavy-duty weight bench, this model is an outstanding choice. Built with commercial-grade 1.6mm steel, it supports up to 660 pounds, ensuring stability and durability for users engaging in serious strength training, whether performing bench presses, sit-ups, or full-body workouts. This adjustable bench offers the adjustability is a key feature of this weight bench, offering multiple incline, decline, and seat positions. This flexibility allows users to customize their workouts according to their fitness goals, ensuring a comprehensive training experience. Whether targeting upper body, core, or lower body muscles, the bench provides a stable and secure foundation for effective exercise. The smooth transition between positions enhances workout efficiency, eliminating the need for frequent adjustments or interruptions during sessions. With its user-friendly design, it caters to both beginners and advanced fitness enthusiasts alike. Another significant advantage of this model is its space-saving design. Unlike traditional bulky weight benches, this one features a compact and foldable structure that reduces its storage footprint by up to 80%. When not in use, it can be conveniently stored in small spaces, making it an excellent option for home gyms with limited space. Additionally, the bench requires no assembly, allowing users to set it up effortlessly and start their workouts immediately. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.